I'm here at Celufab today with my colleagues from Greensolv to do a troubleshooting session on our strip tanks. Because when a customer calls with an issue, it's real important that we can fix it fast so they can get back to production. And we do have all the spare parts at the office, so we can drop ship them almost anywhere within a day.
Great troubleshooting session this morning. I had a chance to practice a few things. These new tanks are just better and better.
I've done a lot of troubleshooting over my time with Greensolv over the past 7 years, so I feel like I am an expert, but it's always nice to reinforce the knowledge I have by getting some hands-on knowledge with the team here at the Fab Shop.
We got a lot of good experience today troubleshooting to help out our customers and be quick so they have no downtime and we can help them solve all their problems.
We're here with our Greensolv team to brush up on our troubleshooting skills so we can help our customers best we can.